हाय हेलो बच्चों, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल मैथ से लगे रहो। इन टुडेज क्लास वी विल सी इंटीग्रेशन 6 मार्क्स नेक्स्ट प्रॉपर्टी डियर स्टूडेंट्स। सो व्हाट दे आर आस्क्ड वी विल सी प्रूव दैट इंटीग्रेशन माइनस a to a f of x dx 2 into integration 0 to a f of x dx if f of x is an even function, 0 if f of x is an odd function. So now try to understand dear students, what is even function and odd function first, then only we can solve this function. Otherwise it is very difficult to solve this property dear students. Before starting the property, I will explain you what is even and odd function dear students. Odd function and even function are having like this conditions. Odd function means odd function f of minus x always gives minus f of x dear students. Even function means f of minus x is always gives f of x dear students. This is odd and even function. So for example I will give odd function. You see example for odd function. This is for odd function example. So now let us see. I will take f of x is equal to x cube dear students. I will take f of x is equal to what? X cube. Then odd function says what? You observe this f of x and f of minus x. So that means he is replacing x by what? Minus x. What he is doing? He is doing x, he is replacing by what? Minus x. So now replace x by what? Minus x. So they are replacing by what? X by minus x. So in x place what you have to replace? Minus x. So here x cube is there. F of x is equal to x cube he has given. So you have to replace f of minus x now. X you replace by minus x. Minus x cube. Minus x cube means what? Minus x cube means you will get minus x cube only dear students. So minus x whole cube is nothing but what? Minus x cube only you will get. Got it? So this is nothing but minus I will write. This x cube is what? What is x cube? F of x dear students. So what they are saying f of x if see this is a given function f of x is equal to x cube. If you replace x by minus x then the answer is coming minus f of x means that question or that answer is said to be a what? Odd function you can say dear students. I hope it is clear for you. So even function also I will say even function. Even function is what? F of minus x must and should give what? F of x. So even function, this is not actually a property. Just I am explaining you before starting that property. If I write like this, then you have to understand this is the odd function and this is the even function. So f of x, example for this, f of x is equal to x square I will take. Example, this is f of x is equal to x square. Now you replace x by what? Minus x. X you are replacing by what? Minus x. So what it will give you see here? X is replaced by minus x means minus x whole square. Minus x whole square is will give answer as what? X square only, because even number always negative also it will convert to what? Positive. So odd number it was negative has become negative only. Understood? So then x square it is giving means what? This is x square is nothing but f of x or not? F of minus x is equal to what? F of x means then that is said to be a what? Even function. And odd function means what? F of minus x is equal to minus f of x. If it is giving like this means that is called as odd function dear students. Above you should remember f of minus x is equal to minus f of x means odd function. F of minus x is equal to f of x means even function dear students. So now we can start this one. So I will erase this one. If you want you can copy this one. I hope all of you are copied. Now let us start the answer dear students. Property. So how we can prove that? If f of x is an even function means I have to show 2 into 0 to a integration f of x dx. If f of x is an odd function means the answer is what? 0. I have to show this one. So now see here how to begin. So LHS, can you see? Minus a to a f of x into dx. This is one of the most important theorem you can see, or a property you can say, dear students. One of the most important property you can say. So in integration. So now already you know property number 3 says what? Integration of a to b, we can write like this or not? Can you remember? A to c f of x dx plus c to b f of x into dx. We can write, and c is nothing but it is greater than a less than b. Yes or no? This condition I had already told you in property number 3. Same thing I can write. Minus a to a is there. Minus a से बड़ा कौन सा है? So minus a किंतनु जास्ती याद है there. In between minus a and a. So that is what I hope you are saying the answers. I feel in minds. Minus a to 0 is there. Yes or no? Minus a से भी बड़ा है 0. Minus a किंतनु जास्ती है 0. So f of x, how we are breaking I am saying. So plus next is what? 0 to c to b you have written or not? C is what now here? 0 to a, dear students. B is what? B is what here? A only. 0 to a f of x into dx. See, easily we got this. I will call this as equation number 1. Clear everyone? I hope. This is nothing but 0 to a f of x. This is a f of x into dx, equation number 1. Clear? Now see how to answer next further. Already I got one answer here. 0 to a f of x dx. One more 0 to a f of x dx if I got here, then this is proved. So how to solve this one? You see here. Very easy. Consider. I have to remove this one now. So because already I got this answer same. 2 is there. 2 I have to get means I have to get the same answer only. No yeah. Already है ना, इधर सेम टू सेम ही है. जस्ट और एक सेम आया ना, दोनों ऐड किए तो ये आता है आंसर. सो दैट्स व्हाई आई एम कंसीडरिंग दिस वन नाउ. इसको ही कंसीडर कर रहे हैं. ಈಗ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಒಂದು 0 to a f of x dx ಬಂದಿದೆ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಸೇಮ್ ಮತ್ ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಆಮೇಲೆ 2 into ಬರುತ್ತಾ. ಸೊ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಇದನ್ನ ಏನು ಡಿಸ್ಟರ್ಬ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಡಿ. इसको क्या भी डिस्टर्ब मत करो. So just you concentrate on this. You consider this now. Consider minus a to 0 f of x into dx, dear students. Clear up? So now how to solve this one? You see, put x is equal to minus t, dear students. Put x is equal to what? Minus t. So in integration, you know now what we will put no value, that we have to take the derivative. I had already told. Can you remember? If you put something t is equal to, you have to take the derivative of that. So now take the derivative with respect to x. X derivative is what? 1. Derivative of t is what? Minus t is there. Minus I will write derivative of t is dt by dx. So dx you cross multiply dx into 1. Dx is equal to minus dt, dear students. Got or not? Minus dt we got dx value. So now we have to check the interval. You are putting x is equal to minus t. So when x value is minus a, lower limit we will concentrate. X is equal to minus a. So t value is what? See here, x value is what? How much you are putting? Minus a. You have to substitute in this. Put value you have considered, no? There you have to substitute. कौन सा x is equal to minus t लिए ना, इसमें डालना पड़ता है minus a को, x का वैल्यू. समझ रहे? ನೀವು x is equal to minus t ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂಡಿರಲ್ಲ, ಅದರ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಹಾಕಬೇಕು x value. X value is how much? Minus a is equal to minus t is there. So minus minus get cancelled. T value will become how much? A. So minus a has become plus a. So next upper limit is how much? X is equal to 0. So x value you put here in this, x is equal to 0 and is equal to minus t. So minus if you send this side, it doesn't make any sense. T is equal to 0 we will get. Minus 0 we can't write. 0 is a non-negative number, dear students. Either it is not positive also, negative also. Got it? So 0 we have written. So now see. Then what will happen? You substitute in this one. Therefore, minus a has become what now? Minus a has become what? Minus a. Can you see here? X is equal to minus a has become what? T is equal to a or not? X is equal to minus a. You are put it this. How much it has become? A. Minus a will become a. 0 has become 0 only. No change in this. F of x value is how much? Minus t. Minus t you write. Dx value is what? Dx. Dx is equal to minus dt we got. So into minus dt, dear students. Got it? So I will erase this one. This is not required. For your understanding purpose I have written. So now see here. What it will become now? If you change the interval, negative sign will become what? Positive. Positive will become negative. So I will interchange them. So a to 0, I will change to what? 0 to a. I will write here students. See here side I will make here space. Therefore, what it will become? You see, 0 to a I have made. I have changed the interval f of minus t. This will not change. Minus t is as t is. Minus dt will become plus dt because you have changed the interval. I am saying. If you change the interval, property number 2 says that only. In my first video of 6 marks, I have done that. If you change the interval, negative will become positive. So this negative sign, don't change this one. I am saying about this. Minus dt will become plus dt. Got it? So now see. According to property number 1 says what? Property number 1 says integration a to b f of x into dx. Integration of a to b f of x into dx is equal to what you have written? Integration a to b f of t into dt. x का जगह में t को डाल सकता है. So you can replace x by what? T or not? x ಜಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ t ಅನ್ನ ಹಾಕಬಹುದು ಅಥವಾ t ಜಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ x ಅನ್ನ ಹಾಕಬಹುದು. t का जगह में x डाल सकते हैं, x का जगह में t डाल सकते हैं. Variable if you change it doesn't make any sense. So then I can change the variable now. 0 to a f of what? T has become x, minus t will become minus x, dt will become dx. So now this value consider you have done no. This value has become how much? Integration 0 to a f of minus x into dx. Clear everyone? So now therefore equation 1 becomes. So now let us see the equation 1. Therefore equation 1 becomes. Therefore equation 1 becomes. What equation 1 says you see here. So equation 1 what you have taken? Minus a to integration minus a to a f of x dx. F of x dx is equal to minus a to 0. Minus a to 0 f of x dx. This value has become what? 0 to a f of minus x dx. 0 to a f of minus x into dx plus next is what? 0 to a integration 0 to a f of x into dx. I will call this as equation number 2. Understood? This value has changed to this, dear students. Now everyone understood this? So now further what we have to do now, you see, this is the main zone. So maximum students will get here only minus x. How they will cancel them? No, that is the wrong method, dear students. Now see here what will happen. Already you know if f of x, that is if f of x is even function. Even function means what? You know that is what you have given. What I told. If f of x is an even function. Even function means what? F of minus x is equal to f of x. Yes or no? And don't ask me again, sir, how this has become. I had given you example what is even and odd function. F of minus x will become odd. F of x, this is called as even function. If f of x is an even function means that is f of minus x will become f of x. So now equation 2 reduces. Equation 2, therefore you can see that equation 2 reduces to what? What it will become, you see, minus a to a f of x into dx is equal to 0 to a f of minus x has become what? F of minus x will become f of x or not? Are you getting f of minus x has become f of x, because if f is an even function we are saying. So f of x is an even function means what? F of minus x will become f of x, understood, into dx plus this you write as is 0 to a f of x dx. Now you see integration 0 to a f of x dx plus integration 0 to a f of x dx, both are same or not? So 1 plus 1 is how much? 2 integration 0 to a f of x into dx. Hence proved first one. Can you see here? If f of x is an even function means 2 into 0 to a f of x dx. 2 into 0 to a f of x dx. f of x is an even function. वो even function बोले तो यही है ना आंसर. So we have proved it. Even function ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ? 2 into 0 to a f of x dx लो ಅದೇ ಬಂದಿದೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್. अर्थ आयता ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ? So समझ में आ रहा है? चमका के नहीं सबको? So please copy this side little bit because I will prove this also odd function. Odd function will become 0. So please copy this. Because space is not there. I am sorry for that. Fine. Please copy. I hope all of you have copied. Now let us continue the answer, dear students. So if f of x is an odd function now. If f of x is odd function, that is what I told, dear students. f of x is an odd function means मैं क्या बोला था? Odd function is what? f of minus x is equal to what? Minus f of x or not? F of minus x is equal to minus f of x. You will get yes or no? Odd function. So now start substituting in equation number 2 now. Equation 2 में डालो. So therefore equation 2 reduces to what? Equation 2 reduces to what now? So what it will become, you see, that minus a to a f of x dx is equal to 0 to a integration 0 to a f of minus x has become what? Minus f of x. F of minus x will become what? Odd function means minus f of x. F of minus x has become minus f of x into dx plus integration 0 to a f of x is as it is you write into dx. Equation 2 I am substituting f of minus x in equation 2 minus f of x here. Understood? So now what you will get? This is a minus. Minus if you take outside, it will become minus only. So minus integration of 0 to a f of x into dx plus integration 0 to a f of x into dx minus plus both will get cancelled. So what you will get the answer? 0, dear students. And this is what our proof. If f of x is an odd function, what are the statement has told? It will give 0 answer only, no? 0 only I got, dear students. Clear everyone? चमका के नहीं सबको? ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಲ್ಲ? So if you are understanding, please like my channel. So and those who are not subscribed, please subscribe it. And we'll solve the problems based on these properties. So please copy this one. I hope all of you have copied. Now let us solve the problems based on the property, dear students. So now see here, first problem, evaluate integration minus 1 to 1 sin raised to 5x cos raised to 4x into dx. So how to solve this problem, you see, dear students. So property you know already, dear students. Property says what? Minus a to a f of x into dx is what? 2 into integration 0 to a f of x dx. This is what? F is even function. In short, I am writing little bit. F is even function, you think. Even function. F is odd function means what is the answer you will get? 0, dear students. Yes, sir. So if it is even function means our answer will give this, sir. If it is odd function, directly I will get as 0. So now you compare with this and this. Minus a to a means what? Minus 1 to 1. Minus 1 to 1, dear students. A value is what now? 1, dear students. A value. Here it is minus 1. Same to same or loan? Looking, what is f of x? F of x is this. See here. F of x I will take sin raised to 5x cos raised to 4x, dear students. Clear? So I can write like this. F of x sin x raised to 5 I can write. Sin x raised to 5 is nothing but sin raised to 5x only. Both are same only. If you take 5 inside, no, sin raised to 5x only will get. ये ना अंदर लिए तो सेम ही होता है, इधर ना ಒಳಗಡೆ तो अंदर सेम ही बरता है. So cos x raised to 4 I can write. Clear everyone? Understood this one? So now see, I have to check whether it is a even or odd function. Even and odd function you know very well. F of minus x should have to give f of x even now. F of minus x should have to give minus f of x if it is odd. Now let us check. We will replace x by what? Minus x. What you will get, you see. X I am replacing by what? Minus x raised to 5 is that. So cos of minus x raised to 4. So x I am replacing by minus x. So now what you will get, you see. Sin of minus x is what? Minus sin x raised to 5, dear students. Sin of minus x is what? Minus sin x raised to 5. Now here the twist is that cos of minus x is cos x, dear students. Cos of minus x is what? Cos x. In first year only we have learnt in theorem. 6 marks theorem is there. Cos of minus x is what? Cos x. There in theorem you used to write cos of minus y. Cos of minus y, cos y you will write or not? Cos of minus x is also cos x. Variable change करने से problem नहीं होएगा. Variable change ಮಾಡೋದ್ರಿಂದ formula change ಆಗುವುದಿಲ್ಲ. So now minus sin x raised to 5. Odd number will give what? Negative answer only. Minus it means minus only outcome. Minus sin raised to 5x. And this is even. And inside also positive only. Cos raised to 4x. And this is the answer is what? Minus sin raised to 5x or cos raised to 4x is what? F of x or not? F of x I can write. F of minus x is giving the answer as what? Minus f of x. F of minus x is giving minus f of x means what is the answer that is called? That function is called as even or odd? Odd function, no? So odd function means therefore f of x is an odd function, dear students. Odd function. So therefore integration is what? I value will become 0, dear students. This is only our I. Don't get confused. So I value will become 0. You give the name for this I. So I value will become what? 0. Understood? This is I. Don't get confused. Fine. So I is equal to 0. Very easy problem, no? So we will solve one more problem. Please copy this, dear students. I hope all of you have copied. We will see the next question, dear students. Question number 2. Evaluate integration minus pi by 2 to pi by 2 x cube plus x into cos x dx. So again it is also looking like same. First we will give the name for this. Last time we have not given the name, so we will give. Otherwise you will again ask me what is I value means. Where I is there? So yes, no. So see here. I is equal to this I had given. Compare now. Minus a to a. Minus a to a. A is nothing but pi by 2. Clear? So now see. X cube plus x into cos x. X cube plus x into cos x is nothing but f of x, dear students. So f of x you see. So f of x is what? X cube plus x into cos x. So now given f of x is what? Even or odd, we have to check. Yes or no? So given we have to check it as what? It is a odd or even function, dear students. How to check? You know that. What we will do? We will replace x by minus x, dear students. We will replace x by what? Minus x. So minus x whole cube. Where x is there, no, you replace x by minus x. So cube is there, cube outside I have written. So here what? Minus x into cos of minus x. X is replaced by minus x. X is replaced by minus x. X का जवाब में minus x डालना है. समझ में आ रहा है? X ना तगदू minus x ना हाकबेकू. अष्टे f of minus x अंदर है. So no really ये ना क्या होता है देखो सब. So see here what will happen. Minus x whole cube is what? Odd number means negative comes only. Minus x cube plus into minus minus x. This is minus x. Cos of minus x. Just now we have discussed, no. Cos of minus x is what? Cos x. Understood? So now see, minus I can take out, dear students. Common is minus. Here also there, here also. So minus if I take out, what will remain with? X cube plus x into cos x. See here how it is becoming means minus into x cube is minus x cube. Minus into plus is minus x cos x. Understood? So this is nothing but what? Minus x cube plus x cos x is what? X cube plus x cos x is f of x minus into f of x, dear student. F of minus x is giving minus f of x means what? Just now we have solved, no? That means what? It is an odd function, dear students. So therefore f of x is an odd function, dear students. Odd function means what? What we have told, f is an odd function means I value will become how much now? Therefore I value will become 0, dear students. See, you understood this one? See, you are seeing and watching the channel but not liking my channel, dear students. So please like and subscribe my channel. Those who are not subscribed, I am requesting you. I am not asking you anything. Just I need what I am saying. Guru Dakshina रहता है ना सबको. So I am asking you just my Guru Dakshina. Just like. If you like more means please comment. Fine. So please copy this. We will see the next problem, dear students. I hope you have copied and हमारा गुरु दक्षिणा भी दिए रखता है. Yes or no? नम गुरु दक्षिणे ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದಿರಲ್ಲ. So if you like means please like the channel and comment if you like. Yes. So you will do this. Please support me and help me, dear students. So I hope you will help me and support me. Don't worry. So now see next question. Third question. So now see here. Evaluate integration minus 9 to minus 90 to plus 90 tan raised to 9x dx. See क्या क्या तो बोल रहा हूँ मैं. Something I am saying by asking you गुरु दक्षिणा. हर एक चीज के लिए दक्षिणा रहता है ना. हमारा गुरु दक्षिणा दे दो. That much only we are asking. Clear? Understood? ज्यादा हुआ तो प्यार दे दो. प्यारा से एक कमेंट कर लो. प्यार दे दो का मतलब समझे? प्यार से एक कमेंट कर लो अगर अच्छा लगा तो. So now see here. This is wonderful question. Integration of minus 90 to plus 90 tan raised to 9x into dx. So now how to solve, dear students? You see, बहुत ही easy sum है. This is a halwa question for you in board exam. First you give the name. They will give halwa for you. Board has given halwa question for you. Tan raised to 9x into dx. Compare again. minus a to a f of x dx, minus a to a f of x dx. a का मतलब होता है pi by 2 and f of x is nothing but tan raised to 9x. Got it? f of x अंदर में tan raised to 9x है, a अंदर है pi by 2. So now f of x is what? tan raised to 9x. Will you agree? f of x का जगह में so क्या है? tan raised to 9x. So tan raised to 9x. f of minus x will become what now? This I can write like this, dear students. Tan raised to 9x, tan x raised to 9 I can write. Will you agree? If you take 9 inside, tan raised to 9x only it is. Clear? So I will replace x by what? Minus x. Because it is a even or odd function, we have to check now. Just now we have solved again and again, saying it's quite boring for you people. So now see, tan of x का जगह में minus x raised to how much? 9, dear students. Clear everyone? So now tan raised to, what is very important is tan of minus x. Tan of minus x is what? Tan of minus x is minus tan x, dear students. Minus tan x raised to 9. Minus tan x raised to 9 will become what? Minus tan raised to 9x. Odd number hai. Odd number means negative will open. Yes or no? So now see here. This is what? Minus I will write as it is. Tan raised to 9x is what? Tan raised to 9x is f of x. Minus f of x will get. F of minus x is giving minus f of x means function is odd. Yes or no? Therefore f of x is an odd function, dear students. Odd function. Therefore I value will become 0. Understood? Yes or no? चमका के नहीं? चमका चमका? समझा हलवा क्वेश्चन how to solve? So we'll see the next question. Please copy this one. I hope you have copied. We will see the next question, dear students. So fourth one, evaluate integration minus a to a, that is minus pi by 2 to pi by 2 sin raised to 7x into dx. So first we will give the name for this. I is equal to minus 90 to plus 90. Pi by 2 means 90 only. Sin raised to 7x into dx, dear students. Now compare minus a to a f of x into dx. So minus a value is how much here? Pi by 2. So f of x is what? Sin raised to 7x. Sin raised to 7x means what? I can write this as what? Sin raised to sin x raised to 7 I can write similar sum. That's why I am not explaining more here. So I hope you can understand. If you are not understanding, please comment me. I will again re-answer for this. Don't worry. So now 7 is taken outside. Sin x raised to 7 is sin raised to 7x. So now we have to check whether it is a even or odd function. By seeing the question only you can understand whether it is even or odd. Most probably you know this answer. So f of minus x is what? So x you replace by what? Minus x raised to 7. Sin of minus x will give what? Minus sin x raised to how much? Sin of minus x will give minus sin x raised to 7. Sin of minus x is what? Minus sin x. Just now we have solved. So it is a odd or not? This is above. Power is what? Or degree we will say. This is 7. Odd means what? It will open with negative or not? Sin minus sin x raised to 7. Minus sin raised to 7x. And what is this, dear students? Minus sin raised to 7x means what? Sin raised to 7x is taken as f of x. Minus f of x it will become. F of minus x is given minus f of x means, therefore f of x is what? Is an odd function. Therefore I का value होता है 0. I the बेले आ जाता है 0. Understood? This is also a halva question for you. So please copy this. We'll see the next question. So I hope all of you have copied. So we'll see the next question here. Fifth one, evaluate minus 1 to 1 x raised to 17 cos raised to 4x into dx. And dear students, I will not solve this problem. This will be given as a homework for you. Please copy. If you get the answer, please comment me. We will see those who will say the correct answer. Fine? So copy this. I hope all of you have copied, and please comment the answer, dear students. I will go through your answer and I will reply whether it is correct or wrong. Now let us see the next question. Question number 6. Evaluate integration minus 92 plus 90 x cube plus x into cos x plus tan raised to 5ax into dx. So little bit slightly bigger question. No problem. This is a lollipop question, dear students. Lollipop question. Very easy and very sweet also. So now how to solve this one, you see here. So I will give a I is, first you give the name for this. I is equal to minus 92 plus 90 and x cube plus x into cos x plus tan raised to 5x into dx, dear students. So this is what your I is given here. So now see, how to understand, you know that whether it is a even function or odd function, you know very well. So f of x is what here? F of x is middle term. So that is f of x is what here? X cube plus x into cos x plus tan raised to 5x. This is your f of x. So now you replace x by minus x. Minus x whole cube. X is what? Minus x. Cos of minus x, tan raised to 5, again write like this, tan of minus x raised to 5. Will you agree? Just now we have told. So don't get confused. 5 is taken outside. Tan x raised to 5 or tan x raised to 5 or tan raised to 5x is both are same only, dear student. I hope not required to more explain. So now see here. F of minus x. Minus x cube minus x whole cube is what? Minus x cube, dear student. Minus x whole cube is minus x whole cube. Understood? So now see, try to understand. Minus x cube only will get, because odd number है तो negative आता है. Odd number इधर negative अगर आता है. Plus into minus, minus x cos of minus x. Cos of minus x. Just now we have discussed, dear student. How you can forget? You are a good student. You will remember. Cos of VN circle students है. Of course, you will answer this. So cos of minus x is what? Cos x. Tan of minus x will give what? Minus tan x raised to 5, dear students. Tan of minus x is minus tan x raised to 5. So f of minus x is what? Minus x cube minus x into cos x plus into minus here. Before moving this, minus tan x raised to 5 is what? Odd number, negative only opens, plus into minus, minus only tan raised to 5x. So minus you take out, x cube plus x into cos x plus tan raised to 5x. Plus in minus into plus is minus, minus into plus is minus, minus into plus is minus. Understood? So now see, this is plus, don't get confused. So this is giving answer what? F of minus x is giving minus f of x. Will you agree? This is minus f of x or not? Minus is outside. This is nothing but f of x. Understood? So therefore, f of x is an odd function, dear students. Odd function. Therefore, I value will become 0. Odd function means you know this. Odd function is giving answer as what? 0, dear students. So please copy this answer. This is our required answer, dear students. So we'll see the next problem now. Please copy this one. This is a lollipop question, you know that. I hope all of you have copied. We will see the next question, dear students. So that is question number 7. evaluate integration minus pi by 4 to pi by 4 sin square x into dx. Very easiest problem, dear students. So how to solve this one, we will observe here. First you give the name for that. So without name it will become meaningless person in front of you. Got it? So that's why first you give the name. ये तो जामुन क्वेश्चन है. Very sweet. Now try to understand this is how to solve. चिंतित कर देंगे इसको. So now see here. Minus pi by 4 to pi by 4 sin square x into dx. Very easiest question. So now whether it is a even function or odd function, first we have to check that one. So now f of x is what, dear students? I will not explain you more f of x because you know sin square x. Sin square x means sin x whole square. I can write or not like this. Sin square x, I can write it as sin x whole square. So sin x whole square we have written. So whether it is even or odd, you have to check. F of minus x means x place you have to replace by minus x. See here, sin of minus x whole square. In a place of x minus x I have substituted. Sin of minus x is what? Sin of minus x. Many times just now we have solved. Yes or no? याद है ना? चमका कि नहीं? Sin of minus x is what? Minus sin x whole square. Correct? ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಅರ್ಥ ಇದೆಲ್ಲ, ಇದೇ just solve ಮಾಡಿದೀವಿ. So sin of minus x ಅಂದ್ರೆ minus sin x whole square ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Minus sin x ಬರುತ್ತಾ, whole square ಮೇಲೆ ಇದೆ, square ಬರ್ತಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಮತ್ತೆ ನೀವು ತಪ್ಪಾಗಿ ಪ್ರೊನೌನ್ಸಿಯೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ಅನ್ಕೋಬಿಡಿ. So now see here, easily you can write this one. ये तो बहुत ही easy हो गए. Question has become halwa. So minus sin x whole square is what? Square even number, प्यारा है, प्यार से रखेंगे हम, प्यार से ही करेंगे. So minus sin x whole square is what? Sin square x, dear students. Sin square x is what? F of x or not? F of minus x is giving answer as what? F of minus x is giving answer is what? F of x or not? This is what? Even or odd? F of minus x is giving f of x means f is an even function. Even function you know how to solve. Therefore you write first f of x is an even function. Even function means solving is different. So now solving is what now? I is equal to, therefore. Now what it will become? Even function means how will write? 2 into 2 I will write 0 to a. 0 to a. A is what here? Minus a to a you will write or not? Minus a to a. A is what? Pi by 4. 0 to pi by 4 I have to write, dear students. Even function means pi by 4 f of x. F of x is what? Sin square x. Sin square x dx. I'll call this as equation number 1. Clear everyone? Understood this one? So now I will apply Queen formula. Queen formula again, don't ask me here. Once again I will remind you, don't worry. Queen formula I had told you. Property number 4. Integration of 0 to a f of x dx. I can write like this. Those who are not seen that video, please go and see this. Queen formula very important for board exam. Many times it has came. So 0 to a f of x dx, 0 to a f of a minus x. So x you replace by a minus x, dear students. X you have to replace by what? A minus x. This is what Queen formula says. Now this is also looking like 0 to a f of x or not? 0 to a f of x. Understood? So now in place of x what I have to replace? Can you see here in place of x? A minus x I have to replace. Correct? So now as it is you write first. I is equal to what? 2 into 0 to pi by 4 as it is. 0 to pi by 4, 0 to pi by 4. Just you have to replace x by what? A minus x. So now what will happen, you see. So 0 to, this is what? Sin square. Now this will become what? Pi by 4 minus x, dear students. So pi by 4 minus x dx, dear students. Clear everyone? Understood this one? I think, dear students, somewhere I have written wrong, I feel. So this should be what? I mean pi by 2 most probably. Fine. So pi by 2 you make it as. It is not pi by 4. Pi by 2 you can write. Otherwise answer will not come in proper way. So you make it as pi by 2. Clear? Pi by 2 it will be. Pi by 2. Here also pi by 2. Clear? So this is the correct. Understood? So sorry for that. This sometimes happens, you know. Please excuse me. So I is equal to 2 into 0 to pi by 2. So now see, sin 90 minus x is what? Sin 90 minus x. In 10th standard you have learned sin 90 minus x is what? Cos x, cos square x here. Because square is there, no? Square. I will call this as equation number 2, dear students. So this one I will erase. Please copy up to this. Let us continue with the answer, dear students. Adding equation 1 and 2, dear students. Adding. Oh my God. So adding equation 1 and 2. Clear? Adding equation 1 and 2. So now what we'll get? Equation 1 is here, equation 2 is here. So I plus I, LHS, 2I. 2 into 0 to pi by 2, 2 into 0 to pi by 2. Both are same only. So common I can take 2 into 0 to pi by 2. So next equation sin square x into dx, cos square x into dx. Add them. So dx is common, sin square x plus cos square x into dx. Dx is common, we are kept outside. Clear? So now this two get cancelled. Sin square x plus cos square x is what? 1 into dx. So integration of 1 is what? X pi by 2, 0 to pi by 2. So pi by 2 you substitute pi by 2 minus 0. So I value will become what? Pi by 2, dear students. So this is the required answer. I hope you understood property number which is having a even and odd function, dear students. Clear everyone? So please if you like this video, please like and subscribe my channel and support me and help me. So we'll meet you in my next class. तब तक लगे रहो मैथ्स के साथ. Thank you my dear students. Please copy this.